In today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a very tasty lemon cake. I've made this so many times and all the time it has turned out very delicious. So first we need 1 cup of milk into which we are going to add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Just leave it for 5 minutes. Then in another bowl, grate 1 to 2 teaspoon of lemon zest. Do not grate the lemon, we just need the covering, that is the zest of the lemon, almost 1 to 2 teaspoon. Then sift the dry ingredients, which includes 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, then 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Into this add half cup of cooking oil or vegetable oil, whatever oil is available at your home. Then add the buttermilk which we had set aside for 5 minutes. Give this all a very good mix. Then in a small bowl add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. It will bubble up like this. Then add this in the batter and give this a slight mix. Then add the grated lemon zest and finally add 1 tablespoon of lemon extract or lemon juice. Give this a very good mix. Scrape the sides, and here I have already prepared a 7-inch mold which I have already lined with butter paper and oiled it. Pour the batter, give it a slight tap. Now here I have already preheated this vessel at medium flame for at least 10 minutes, and now I am placing such type of a stand. You can also place a small lid, then place your batter and cover this and bake this for at least 30 minutes at low flame. Keep checking in between by inserting a toothpick. Here I have refrigerated these things. You can also freeze them for 10 to 20 minutes. Then here I am taking 1.5 cup of cold whipping cream. You need to beat this until Steve peaks, and in between keep adding 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar gradually. Here the cake has baked nicely. I have completely cooled it and now I am cutting it into 2 layers. I am applying some sugar syrup. You can skip this or you can also apply some milk if you like milk. Then apply a thick layer of whipping cream. Now in the rest of the whipping cream I am adding some yellow food color and mixing this nicely. You can also add green food color or any food color which you have, or you can just skip this part. I have filled the rest of the whipping cream in my piping bag and I am using this type of a nozzle. This is a Choros nozzle. I don't know the number, I don't know the type. You can see the design of this nozzle, and I'm just making some random designs. You can make these designs which are optional or just skip these if you do not have any nozzle. Finally, I am adding some pearl sprinkle which is also optional, and your lemon cake is done. Apart from the decoration part which is optional, the cake is really very delicious. I've made this several times and all the time I get compliments from my family, from my friends. So this is a very easy, simple and a very tasty recipe which you all can try, and let me know how this turns out. So if you liked this recipe, do give this a thumbs up, share this, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any queries related to any of my recipe, please comment down below. Till then, bye.